Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Kia Stinger GT, stock reference number 4984. This shape runs from the 6th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G6 DP 3.3 litre V6 twin turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. G6 DP 3.3 litre V6 twin turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left side skirt, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, front lid appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror just has a few little scratches on the outside edge, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, radio controls, factory sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.